If you look at architecture, what has happened in India, first of all, we had the effect of industrialization much later felt as compared to Western world. Idea of perfection was critical in an industrial product where you had to repeat the same production of the same thing again and again and again, million times, billion times, because you're making the same thing, be it a car or a packet of biscuits or anything that is an outcome of industrial process. What was creative got replaced by what was a product. There's a difference between producing something and creating something. When you create something, it happens once. There is nothing like recreating. That itself is a wrong term. There is nothing like recreation. There is always manufacturing. There is always reproduction. Creation itself by default, by virtue of the word itself, the essence of it happens first time, once. Now, what has happened in the whole process is, if you look at even Western media, where projects are printed and they look very sleek, very, perfect, precise, so fine-tuned. And I keep telling people a lot of it is about the skills of the photographer. It is about the skills of the writer. And as much as I believe precision is one of the means to an end, but it is not the only mean. There are projects across the world where perfection is not even remotely in the sight. And yet those are one of the finest and the most beautiful projects. For example, if you look at Egyptian poet and architect called Hassan Fathy, to me, it is as perfect, as refined, as precise. It's not treated the way you would treat steel glass. And you cannot compare it in the same manner. Unfortunately, he never got recognition from West. And as much as I say about Geoffrey Bawa, he deserves so much more recognition, so many more accolades than what he actually received in his lifetime.
Pritzker Award at least.
No Pritzker Award, nothing.